boys and girls, it's Miss Arlene. Today I have a story for you. It's called The Flea's Sneeze. This was written by Lynn Downey. So Lynn Downey is the author. So Lynn Downey wrote all the words in this book, the whole story. And it was illustrated by Karla Firehammer. So Karla Firehammer drew all the really fun pictures in this book. I hope you enjoy it. The Flea's Sneeze. On a dark, dark night on an old, old farm in a rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him sniffle, sniffle. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea, "Does anybody have a tissue for me?" Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bats, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried, boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed, boo. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and it confused the cow, who muttered, moo, moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered, hoo, hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed, cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked, woo, woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed, ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes he had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old, old farm in the rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the crow, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I've got a sneeze. Uh-oh. What do you think's gonna happen? I think he's going to sneeze and all the animals are going to wake up. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed my book. Do you remember where this book took place? What's the setting? Where did this all take place? Did you say the barn at the farm? I think you're right. Look, that's the setting. This is where it all took place. And do you remember any of the characters in the book? There were a lot of characters. Characters are the people or the animals that were in the book. See how many you can remember. I hope you enjoyed our story, The Flea Sneeze. Have a good day, boys and girls.